Hi guys. Okay, back to the original way of looking at my screen here. And this is the second half of the first page of the chapter 7 mid-chapter checkpoint. Okay. So these ones right here, it says find the unknown factor and quotient. Okay, so remember, they're trying to get you to realize that to do division, you just have to use your knowledge of multiplication instead. So instead of figuring out 50 divided by 10, you can think of it backwards as 10 times what equals 50. Well, if you skip counted for this one, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So that would be 5. 10 times 5 is 50. So if you flip it around, 50 divided by 10 equals 5. If you got that one right, give yourself a star or smiley. If you didn't, then you need to use another strategy for yourself to help yourself figure out the answers correctly. Like I do skip counting. You could also draw circle groups, okay? Now, if you're drawing circle groups, you actually are going to do the division equation first because you don't know how many to put inside of each one here. So you would do 50 as the total and make 10 groups and pass out the 50, okay? So I'm going to show you what I mean. So for example, 16 divided by 2, maybe you want to use a multiplication fact. So again, if you know your multiplication facts, you already know this answer. And thus you already know the division equation. But if you're a person who doesn't, you would actually come over and solve this first with a picture or the strategy we learned, which was how to divide by 2. But I'll just show the picture. 16 divided by 2, and you pass them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So how many is in each one? 8. So 2 times 8 equals 16, okay? This will probably be the last time I show this strategy on this page because now you should know how to do that strategy with any division equation, okay? Okay, number 5. 2 times what equals 20? Well, 2 times 10 equals 20. So 20 divided by 2 equals 10. 5 times what equals 20? 5 times 4 equals 20. So you already know 20 divided by 5 must be 4. All right, find the quotient down here. 6 divided by 6. Okay, I could draw a picture of this, or I could think of a mental picture. I have 6 total fish, and I'm putting them into 6 fish bowls, so I'd have 1 in each. 21 divided by 3. A lot of times with the 3s, we skip count forward. So you can think of it on a number line, or you can think of our song. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Oh, 18. I'm trying to get small here so I can fit it in before it slams into the problems. 21. So now how many jumps did I have to do? Put my 0 on here. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 21 divided by 3 in each is 7 jumps. 0 divided by 3, whenever we have these zeros, your answer is going to be 0. 36 divided by 4. My favorite strategy for 4s is just thinking of a 4 as a 2 and a 2. So divide 36 in half. Start with some of those bigger numbers to double. I start maybe with 15. 15 plus 15 is 30. 16 plus 16 is 32. 17 plus, wait a minute. 17 plus 17 is 34. 18 plus 18 is 36. So if I divide it by 2 one time, it would give me 18. But I have to divide it by 2 again, because really a 4 is 2 2s. So now what's 18 cut in half? That would be 9. So if you got 9 here, very good job. Okay, bottom row, the answer or the quotient is going to go on top. 35 divided by 5 should be 7. 24 divided by 4. Remember, you can do divided by 2 times. 24 cut in half is 12. 12 cut in half is 6. 54 divided by 6. Remember, you could do it as a 3 and a 2. We said the other day, and I don't know if I remember showing you the opposite direction, but we said that you can do it by its factors, which are a 3 times a 2. And 54 is a little tricky to do divided by 3, but maybe we can try to divide it by 2 first. I know 25 plus 25 equals 50. So let me keep going up a little bit. 26 plus 26 would be 52. 27 plus 27 would be 54. So if I divide it by 2 first, I would get 27. Now I have to divide the 27 by 3, and that would be 9. I'm going to write that up here in case that was a little hard for you to follow. 54 divided by 2 is 27. Okay, but now I have to make sure it really is divided by 6 total. So 27 divided by 3 now, because a 3 times a 2 is 6. 27 divided by 3 is 9. Okay, last one. 9 divided by 3, 3. Okay, so give yourself a star or smiley for all the ones you got right here. If you got something wrong, then you need to use one of these strategies. Circle groups, skip count on a number line, maybe use the factors and work it out on your paper right now the correct way. And next time, remember, if you're not 100% sure of the fact, you need to work it out paper and pencil. Okay, good job, guys. I'm going to stop here and we'll do one more video for the word problems on the back.